And I think it is good to just kind of ease into the season with a really minor snow for us here in town. It's not going to be heavy, and a lot of the roads are mainly just going to be wet. But Jason will show you some of the spots where it is icy this morning. If your kids have an outdoor practice this afternoon, check with your coach. It's probably going to be canceled. We're looking at 20s for highs this afternoon with light snow there on the field. This is a shot from Lookout Mountain. I know it's a little tricky to see, but there is a light there on the tower, and every time it flashes, you can see some of the snow there stuck to the grass and the trees. It's cold right now. Denver, right around 25 degrees. Boulder, 24. Evergreen, you're waking up to 17, and in Highlands Ranch, it's 23 right now. We hit a high of 83 out at the airport yesterday afternoon. Now it feels like about 9 out at DIA when you factor in these winds. Still extremely gusty. Winds coming in out of the north at about 20 to 40 miles per hour. We're going to see this cold northerly wind through the morning, and then things will start to calm down a little bit later today. A number of alerts, though. The dark purple here, that's the freeze warning in effect, and we're going to see a freeze warning again into early tomorrow morning. These temperatures dropping into the teens early tomorrow. Now the purple, this is a winter weather advisory in effect until 6 o'clock tonight. It covers the entire metro area and then the northern and central mountains west of Denver and west of Fort Collins. That's where we're likely going to see about 4 to 8 inches of snow up and through the high country. Great spot to get a good 4 to 8 inches of snow. Down here, likely light snow is going to be possible here. A bit more activity in Denver by mid-morning. So hopefully between about 8 and 9 o'clock, when we start to see a little bit more in the way of snow showers here in town, people are already out at work and we've got most of the people off the roadways. We're going to stay in the 20s, though, through the morning. We could get a band of snow that would roll through town, which would bring a quick hit of potentially 1 to 3 inches of snow if it does roll through. So that's what we're counting on to really boost those totals by the afternoon. 6:30 to 7 o'clock tonight, we're still only in the upper 20s to low 30s under a cloudy sky. Skies will then clear out tonight, and that's what's going to be a big factor in just how cold it gets tomorrow morning. We lose that cloud cover, which acts as almost a little insulating blanket. So we're going to see teens to even some single digits in the mountains early Friday morning. Coldest morning so far this season. So again, snowfall totals are likely going to be closer to town, right around 1 to 3 inches. You might get some heavier numbers up in through the foothills, a little closer to the mountains, and then again about 4 to 8 up and through the high country. Tomorrow morning, it's cold. Now, I know the 7-day can be a little confusing, but that's actually the low for early Friday morning. So tonight into tomorrow, we're dropping down to about 15 degrees. So it's going to be a bitter cold morning. Skies will clear, though. That sunshine's going to feel really good tomorrow afternoon with a high of 45. Then for the weekend, low 60s Saturday, great pumpkin patch weather by Sunday, or the Broncos game here in town, kickoffs at 2:25. We'll talk more about that forecast, but 60s, Jason, for the most part. Look at next Wednesday.